What is batch processing?
Batch processing is a method where a program automatically handles multiple tasks or data sets in groups rather than one at a time. Instead of running each job manually, you create a batch, a collection of tasks that the computer processes all at once. This approach saves time, reduces errors, and helps manage repetitive work efficiently.
Why use batch operations in coding?
Batch operations let you automate repetitive tasks, whether it's converting files, processing data, or running scripts. By grouping similar tasks, you avoid manual intervention and can complete work faster. Batch processing is especially useful for large datasets or when consistency is needed across many operations, making it a key strategy for boosting productivity in software development.
Common examples of batch processing.
Batch processing is common in many areas. Programmers often use it to update databases, process log files, or convert multiple images. System administrators automate backups and software updates this way. Even sending out bulk emails or running nightly data reports uses batch processes. The goal is always the same: handle repetitive tasks efficiently and with minimal manual effort.
How to write a simple batch script.
Writing a batch script depends on the language and environment. In Windows, you might use a .bat file to run a series of commands. In Python, you can write a loop to process many files. The basic steps are: list your tasks, create a script that automates them, and run it, watching as the computer handles the work for you.
Tips for efficient batch processing.
Plan your workflow before you start. Make sure you understand the order tasks need to be executed. Test your scripts with a small sample to catch errors early. Add simple logging to track progress and spot issues. Finally, schedule batch jobs for off-peak hours if they use lots of resources. These steps help ensure smooth and efficient batch operations.